Hi everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we'd go through what you get in the Dear Santa box, plus some extras, and then I'll show you what I've been making with it. So, box. Now I should have recorded this before I started creating, but hey ho. So you get your cards and envelopes, your foam tape, your foam squares, 18 pieces of cardstock, 40 sheets of the 6x6 paper pad, 298 die cut ephemera, 1 sheet of gemstones, 38 chipboard frames and corners, 2 sheets of puffy stickers and 2 sheets of chipboard stickers. So that's all of the bits and pieces. Now I've made quite a few cards. I've still got a load of paper left. That's the gems. They're the sentiments, what I've got left. That's what I've got left of the ephemera. So it doesn't even look like I've touched this bag, to be fair. And you've got your chipboard stickers on both sides. Obviously I've used some. Then you've got your puffy stickers. And I've used quite a few of those on that side. Then you've got your frames. Got your cards and envelopes, and then you've got this cardstock. So you've got 2 sheets of silver, 2 sheets of gold, and then you've got all of these colours, greens, blues, browns. You've got the 2 pinks, and there was the blue and that colour as well. That's everything you get in the box. Okay, and I'll show you some extras as well. And there is some postage stamp washi tape, which is a nice addition. You've got these festive birds on the acetate, so I've used a few of them. Same with the poinsettia. There's some Christmas trees, and there's also some baubles which I've used, but I will show you. Then there is also these lovely dies, so you get some sentiments. And they're a nice size, these, so they work really well. And then these two, so you get the little envelope, and then the floral is what you can tuck into the envelope, and then this embossing folder as well. That's all the extras. So I'm going to go through what I've been making. So I've made this little box. I've got a notepad and pen in there at the moment, but I will add some more goodies. But you can see that's the washi tape, that's those little envelopes, parts of the ephemera, etc. So that's number 1. And then we've got the little, obviously the little envelope on the front, and then that's your gift card in there. And we've got some cards. Now that's the baubles, the extra acetate baubles. I've made it into a little box, but it is actually a card. Okay, so that's some more of the baubles. That's one of the chipboard frames. Put that into a little shaker. It's part of the ephemera. That's one of the little dies. And you know, the envelope and the florals, I think I'll just, yeah, they're my favourite out of all of it, so that's cute. Then we've got more cards, that chipboard frame, all the ephemera and the sentiments, and those 2. Then I had to make a little 3D card, so it stands up. Little card, nearly there. Then you've got the little letters which I've made into a box card with the ephemera in the top. And then the last one, I made this little suitcase made the little rosette, and then when you open it up, we've got tags and stuff in there. So a little rosette, we've got a little tag, got a little paper clip with some charms on, and then the last one, I made this little tag. So as you can see, I've made quite a few projects, and you saw how much I had left. So I think you'll be able to make all of your Christmas cards out of that box set. So yeah, lots of different cards you can make, sizes, etc. So much ephemera in the boxes, and the little envelope and the floral is a must for me. I think that's really cute. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.